Shalom and welcome. Now we're going to be learning, that's right, interrogatives. These are all the question words that we can learn as to ask questions in Hebrew. Okay? So I'm going to teach you all of the question words you can utilize that encompasses every possible question you can ask. Okay? And we're going to learn this in two stages. Number one, we're going to learn about the interrogative question words. And then number two, which is going to be the next video, we're going to learn about the interrogative particle or article, okay, which is attached to words which introduces a question. So there's two ways of asking a question in Hebrew. Number one, well, there's the plain out question, and then there's the stipulated question that's referred to that we use in a sentence, such as when we're asking a question that doesn't relate to these. All right? So let's learn these things, okay? So the first interrogative is me. Me is who? Like who? You? Who? Him? What? Me. Alright? The next one is matai. Matai. Matai means when. Like matai. What time of the day are we going to go to the doctor's? Matai. Alright? This one we're going to learn, there comes in two forms. I want you to memorize aye as the main form, but a also is a form that's used. What does aye mean? It means where. But this means where by which I do know something about the information that's going on. For example, let's say I'm in my house, okay? And I know my keys are in the house, but I don't know where it's in the house, okay? This is a question where I would say aye mafteach, where are my keys? Okay? So aye is when I know information about something, such as I know that he should be there, so I'll ask the aye question. Now we're going to learn the I don't know at all anything. And that is going to be afo. Afo is what we use when I don't know where is Efo Beni, where's my son? Or if I say Efo ha'oto sheli, where is my car, right? By the way, shell is a modern Hebrew word, so don't worry about that. But if I wanted to say atoti, where is my vehicle? That would be the word we use. So afo. So we have aye, where, in which I do know information about, which typically it's going to be I know something's there, or I'm used to it being there, but it's not. Where afo is I don't know where it's at, and therefore I'm asking the afo, where is the I don't know, afo. Alright? The next question we're going to look at is eze. Eze has two forms. It's the masculine form and the feminine form. The masculine form is eze, the feminine form is ezot. So if I say eze, I'm saying which one of these, or them, or it, eze, whereas ezot is the feminine form. So eze and ezot, they mean the same thing. The difference is one's masculine in subject, and one is going to be feminine in subject. Ma, what? Ma, what? You know, like you want to go say, let's say you spilled milk all over the floor, and everybody looks at you weird, and you're like, ma, what? Alright? Ma. Me'ain. Ma'ain. Ma'ain means where are you from? Okay? So when you say me'ain, you say, for example, like you're asking a person, you say, Ma'ain ata, where are you from? Ma'ain. The next word we're going to look at here is ana. Ana. The word ana literally means where and directionally are you going. Now it doesn't mean if I say ana that I'm literally saying where directionally you're going. I'm always going to use the word in the verb form holech or tilech. Like if I'm saying where will you go, I'll say ana tilech, where will you go? If I wanted to say where are you going, ana ata holech, where are you going, right? So ana asks the question of where, but it's only used with the direction of movement. Ana, okay? Lama. Lama is, what's the reason? Lama. Like, what's the reason you sat there and put water all over my couch? Lama. The next one is madua. Normally what you find here is people translate lama madua as why, but I want you to understand they're not the same question, okay? Not at all. When you're asking madua, you're asking what's the purpose. Like madua, why did you put water all over my couch? And that's when your son says, oh, I'm testing out to see if it will absorb in the material faster than on the table. Whereas if I wanted to say, lama, what's the reason? Okay? Doing an experiment. See, one is the purpose. I want to know what's the purpose behind it and what's the reason. Okay? Lama, what's the reason? Madua, what's the purpose? Okay? Ad ana. Ad ana, it means until what particular event or change in event in time. So when I say ad ana, until when will this thing take place in time? Ad ana. Alright? Like, if you're asking your son, ad ana, when are you going to change? At what particular point in time? When you're 15, 15, 16, ad ana. Right? Alma. Alma. Alma is for what purpose or for what reason? Alma. So when somebody says to you, can I borrow your car? You look at them and you'll say, Alma, for what reason? Alma, right? Now we're going to go down here. Ad kama. Ad kama. What is ad kama? It means to how long, until how long will it be? Ad kama. 15 دقيقة, I think 5 minutes. Ad kama, right? Ad matai. Until what time-wise will this take place? Ad matai. Bishar reva. At the fourth of the hour. Bishar reva. Alright, so about 4 o'clock. Here we're going to go eich. Eich. How? So you want to ask a person like how to make a cake. Eich. Eich. How? And here, the last of the two, afki. Is it so? Afki. Like you want to know, is it so that I can go outside? Afki? Afki? Alright? And the last one is kama. Kama. This is, you go to the grocery store and you don't see the little tag on the stuff. It's saying kama. How much? Comma. And this is going to basically end our interrogatives. As you can see, all of these interrogatives encompass questions in particular. There are other ways of asking questions. This is what we're going to part 2, where we add the interrogative particle in front of words in order to stipulate a question. See you next time.